and it roars like a lion here. Oh my goodness, that was. He has a very smooth exhaust note. So guys, it's almost 11:30 in the night. Their bike got serviced. I couldn't cover the complete video, but yeah, some replacement which we expected were done. Here we are with Time Straight Triple, Benelli 600i and RC 200. Okay. Let's see if we can do a small rack. That's a legal rack, by the way, between Benelli and Triumph Street Triple. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Killing, man, killing. Obviously the acceleration will be much more higher on Triumph Straight Triple for sure, because you know, obviously the weight, it weighs not more than 185 kg, I would say. So yes, it has that advantage. You know, acceleration my, you know, wise, I know Street Triple कर सकती है यार, I mean anytime, but Benelli is also doing great, man. क्या कर रहे हो भाई आप? हाँ भाई, क्या कर रहे हैं? फराज, ऐसा ज़्यादा भगाओ मत, रोड लीगल है। मैं तो 20 पे चला रहा था। भाई क्या हो गया इसको? घर से परमिशन मिल गया लगता है। भाई है ना? अरे ओपन रोड में मजा आएगी, बारिश भी नहीं है ना, ओपन रोड में मजा आएगी। आज रात लेकिन रियाज भाई साथ में चल रहे हैं हमारे, मानना पड़ेगा। रियाज नॉर्मल इनके लिए 130 120 प्रॉपर सिंक नहीं है। एक बार तो हर एक सिग्नल मिल रहा था, हर एक रेड सिग्नल। यहाँ पहुँच रहा हूँ रेड, यहाँ पहुँच रहा हूँ रेड। Oh my god, I hope this is beautiful, man. It looks so beautiful in this night, man. The night rides are so awesome, man. I mean, it's not raining and it's like so humid in Mumbai. Trust me. मतलब बारिश होती है तो कड़ाकेदार होती है, नहीं तो नहीं होती है। तो यार क्या ब्यूटीफुल लगता है ना रात में। Mumbai is a night city, man. We can maintain a good speed and enjoy the ride, man. कैमरा देख लो फराज, टनल आवाज करियो। वो बच्चा डर गया. Sorry yaar, sorry. But it's a symphony to our ears, man. Damn bro, Lamborghini. ऑटो पायलट पे थी वो, कोई नहीं था. ऑटो पायलट पे थी, कोई नहीं था उसमें. Almost 12 o'clock, midnight, and look at the road, streets, the rides. Somebody amazing. Oh भाई. पर आज बूस्ट पिएगा, बूस्ट. And this is how our ride looks. Simply amazing. We really enjoyed it. It was 12:30 in the night and you know, feeling so great. I mean यहाँ पे हवा अच्छी चल रही थी. So peaceful out here, and now we are planning to leave. Oh. We all are set. We are heading back towards home. It's going to be a fun ride again. Trust me, I mean, it's almost 12:45 in the night and it's really fun, man. To go out for a ride, to go out for a ride during this time. ओहो, नारियल गिर गए हैं, नारियल. बाप रे बाप. उधर कुछ रोड रेज हो रहा है. मे बी वो गिर गया होगा यानी while he was riding, इसी वजह से कुछ हो गया होगा. नारियल गिर गया था भाई. बाय बाय ब्रो, टेक केयर. Man, it was fun, trust me guys. I mean, I really enjoyed it, man. Right from the start, it was simply amazing. What should I say, man? I have no words left at the moment. But yeah, it was so good. I mean, यार feeling ही अलग थी. And definitely, I mean, if not a long ride, you should definitely go for a night ride, यार. Come on, मज़ा आ जाती है. Once in a while, and we did it after a very, very long time. And glad we did it. Super happy, man. So guys, that's all about it. This video was not more about towards the vlog end, but it was all about the beast, the way we were riding it, the way we were expressing our feelings. I mean, it was all about that. So hope you liked this video. If you didn't like this video, please let me know in the comment section. But if you did like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then guys, take care, be safe and see you soon.